Video is for you specifically. I'm making it for you on how to log in and do the typing tests. So you every day in class you'll come here, or every we'll have an activity. Right here I have the name of the typing test you're gonna do today in class. So you click this link, and it will take you over here. Here, over here on username, you're only going to put your student ID number. That's it. I have that right here for you. Here it is, right there. So I put in your ID number right here. You're gonna put your student ID number. This is it. There's no password. Ignore that. And click login. And what you're going to do is, don't worry about this one for now. Go down. Only look at tests. And these are the ones you have to do. Now click on more tests right here. And this is the one for our last class. But all you do is you practice the typing test. Your scores are automatically recorded here. So don't worry. Just do this one 2 times and this one 2 times. Do each one 2 times. When you finish doing your typing tests, click right here to stats. And then scroll all the way down to the bottom. And here it has your practices. It has what you were practicing, and you'll have your scores. This is where you'll take your screenshot and upload it into Canvas on that activity. However, if we're still having trouble figuring out how to do screenshots, just do the typing test only. I'll help you take the screenshots later, but at least do each typing practice 2 times. Everything that says tests. So over here, only these right here where it says tests, only do these. More tests. Each one of these, do it 2 times. And your scores are recorded, and then later we'll upload them into Canvas. Just do that this weekend, and it'll help you catch up.